Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right. Attorney Hijazi, good morning, and I give you co-host.
Thank you.
City attorney is not yet in room 2. Let me check to see if your client is here. Ask Carson.
I'm going to waive their presence, Your Honor.
Okay. There's an officer here on that matter. Is this a trial or formal hearing today?
Formal hearing.
Okay. All right. So, let me see if we have an offer on your client yet. Just give me a minute. Corporal Turner, good morning. Going to send you to room 1 to meet with city attorney when she gets here.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. I have a device that just says Joel Castro. Is that your name, sir?
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay. Do you have a hyphenated name? Because I don't have last names that begin with C.
Oh, stop.
I'm sorry. Okay.
My last name?
Yes, I need your last name. What's your last name?
Palomeque Castro.
Paloma?
Palomeque Castro.
I found it, Your Honor.
Can you do the renaming, please, for me?
Yes.
P-A-L.
She's got it, sir. She'll spell it. Just give me one moment. Alexis Powell, good morning. You're going to a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There will be a wait. Use the time to gather things like registration and insurance if you know you need to for your case. Room 12. And on the iPhone, good morning. Please unmute. Pink jacket, give me a name.
Hi, good morning. Danielle Poor.
Spell the last name for me, please.
P as in Paul, O-R-E.
Thank you. Same thing, placing you in breakout to meet with an attorney. They'll be with you shortly.
Okay. Stop. Stop.
Go ahead and join room 13, please. Okay, sir, do you need an interpreter? Do you speak English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Okay.
Please take.
Okay, por favor, join y esperas para la intérprete. Join. All right, did we get offers from Miss Horn today?
Yes.
She probably will not have set one in Attorney Hijazi's case just because it's set for a formal hearing, but I'll see if I can get into Outlook and take a look. Outlook was not allowing me in yesterday.
I can't look up his driving records from Canada.
Okay. Do you see whether Ms. Horn has placed an offer on the file?
No, she didn't write one.
Okay. Okay, Attorney Hijazi, then you've got to wait for her in room 2.
Thank you.
Okay, Madam Clerk, looks like we're gonna be ready on Erica Pierce and Dago Tarver.
I'm ready on Tarver. Erica Pierce was scheduled for show cause. She has 2 other cases in warrant status.
What are those cases?
Drive while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Excuse me. How about Danielle Taylor? Anything in default or warrant status that we need to be worried about? 'Cause she'll be next after Dago Tarver.
Check now.
Okay. Dago Tarver will be right with you. One moment, please.
Okay.
Mhm. Van Thomas, good morning. Van Thomas, please unmute. All right, I have a device that says Van Thomas. I've asked you to unmute several times, not getting a response. You'll be removed.
Hello?
Hi, is that your correct name?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. There is a wait. Use the time to gather documents if you need to for your cases like registration, insurance, etc. You're going to room 15. Please join now.
Yeah, you got it.
Van Thomas, you need to join the breakout room before the invitation disappears. Morning.
Morning. I thought I was in the breakout room.
You're not. You're in the main session. You need to go to the breakout room to meet with an attorney. They need to speak with you, and I need to move on to other cases. Please go to the breakout room. Good morning, Attorney Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. You've got one retained waiting for you in room 2. Officer Lunguski, good morning. I'm going to get you into breakout room number 1 to meet with Ms. Horn.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
And Madam Clerk, on the room 2 person, may I have a SOS, please? On past
He has
car.
a Canadian license, so we can't run an SOS.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, thank you.
Officer Kuchiyavi, I need to know which case you're here on, please.
Hey, good morning. I am here for Asia Thomas.
Thank you. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Clerk. Officer sending you to room 1 so you can meet with an attorney. Meet with city attorney. Okay, Mr. Thomas, I don't know what's going on. You're not muted. I'm getting all kinds of audio feedback. You're not joining the breakout room.
I need the link sent to me again, Your Honor. I pressed join, but I thought I was in the breakout room, but I'm not.
All right, I've got to move you down, so please join. You need to join the breakout room. What happened to this other individual that was ready?
I'm here.
Not you, sorry.
Okay.
They just disappeared on me. All right, would you call the Tarver matter, please?
Yes. For, oh, let me get Jasmine. For Dago Levon Tarver, SP 1885453, counts 1 and 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and no insurance misdemeanor.
Mr. Tarver, state your name for the record, please.
Dago Levon Tarver.
Thank you. And this is no registration civil infraction, Madam Clerk?
Misdemeanor.
It's a misdemeanor. Okay, thank you. I'm just confused because I'm surprised to not see that plead to improper plate, so I need to get Ms. Horn.
Yeah, it's not on the offer sheet. It's just 2 lines. She probably drew it in case he had proof. I don't know.
Would you please send the offer sheet to my alternate email?
Yes, I sent it.
Thank you. One moment, Mr. Tarver.
Okay.
That's not the offer that we normally see on a no registration, so I just want to make sure that it's correct. Okay. Yeah, that's it. All right. Okay. Okay, it does appear that this is correct. All right, go ahead and call the Tarver matter, please, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for Dago Levon Tarver, SP 1885453, counts 1 and 2, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you, Mr. Tarver. It appears you'll be pleading guilty to the no registration with the insurance being dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
Yes.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And are you aware you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location for Mr. Tarver, please?
March 23rd, 2026, Zender and Gratiot.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle that was not properly registered?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to pay it in full or to see the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. As long as you give them their down payment within the next 60 days to start your payment plan, your deal will remain in place.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, Attorney Hijazi, we're ready.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready.
Okay, and I see we have Officer Paulos out here with us as well. Madam Clerk, whenever you are ready to call that matter.
Okay, I'm not gonna be able to spell his name. For first name Inkaran, last name Paskaranaathan, case SP 1906437, count 1, driving wrong way on a one-way street.
Thank you. It looks like Pascaranthan or Pascaranathan to me, Attorney Hijazi.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rami Hijazi, P82830, on behalf of Mr. Paskar Narathan, Your Honor. I would be requesting a waiver of his presence this morning. I have full authority to move forward on his behalf.
Right, thank you. Officer Paulos, your appearance, please.
Good morning. It's Officer Paulus, Badge 3957, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Defendant's appearance is waived. Attorney Hijazi.
Your Honor, the prosecutor was offering a reduction to speed 1 to 5. I have full authority to tender a responsible plea on my client's behalf.
Thank you. And is that a straight speed or a limited access?
It's a straight speed.
Okay, so 1 to 5 speed, and that's going to be $125. I'll accept your admission on your client's behalf, 60 days to get it paid or get on the payment plan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Thank you, officer, for your appearance. Thank you both.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good morning.
You too. Brandon Powers, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Judge.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Yes, I spoke to an attorney the last court date I had.
Okay. Has anyone contacted you when you weren't in court?
No.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to get you into a breakout room. An attorney will come and speak with you before I hear your matter. You're set for trial today. The officer is here, so that means that you can either choose to go to trial or they will likely make you an offer if you want to consider taking that.
Is there any way, Judge, I can like schedule it for another hour because I have another court date and for some reason my lawyer scheduled them both today. It was supposed to be one tomorrow, one today. So I have 2 Zoom court dates at the same time. So I'm trying to juggle both.
I really can't. What I can do is try to get you in like now.
Okay.
I can try to get them to you right away.
Okay, that would be perfect.
All right, thank you. Give me
Thank
just
you,
a minute.
Judge.
Let me get you into breakout room 15, and then we'll start working on it for you.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead and join. Thank you. Do we still have Attorney Johnson somewhere? Wonder if he got kicked out. No, there he is. Okay. Who did room 6?
Room 6, that was Attorney Johnson.
Okay. Attention, Attorney Johnson. Attention, Attorney Johnson. Please revisit room 6 at your convenience. Please revisit room 6 at your convenience. See room title for details. It looks like we're going to be ready on Mario Porter. Alicia Peak, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm okay. And yourself?
Good, thanks. Are you going to place you in a breakout room to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter?
Okay.
She's scheduled for trial. It looks like it's Attorney Masaria's case.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Good morning. What's up, Thomas? I just need 2 SOS.
Okay, I'm going to get you into your breakout room, Ms. Peak, to wait for your attorney. He'll be here shortly.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm going to move you to room 8. Go ahead and hit join, please.
I may not have it. I have to pull this back.
Okay. You know, might as well just do an offer on what's his name, Powers, in case it's old.
And then we need a new offer, Madam Ms. Horn, on room 6.
All right, thank you, Judge.
That one is Erica Pierce. She's got a no insurance misdemeanor and a driving while license suspended and warrant status.
They have it, I don't know, because I'm not finding.
For
it.
both of them?
Yeah,
Okay,
I don't
thank
know
you.
what the name.
Mr. Walling did say they were both Mexican licenses. I just wanted to make sure they didn't have any CDLs. Okay, thank you.
It's actually 3, but it's the same thing.
Okay,
I
got
don't
it.
have a number, but nothing's coming up.
I think you have two clients, Attorney Johnson, who have just completely left the courtroom. Now they're back, so I don't know what pleas they have. It's happened now twice. I don't, we'll see who this one is. On the iPhone, unmute, please, and give me a name.
Mario Porter.
All right, Mr. Porter, you weren't supposed to leave court, just the breakout room. So let me figure out what you're pleading to.
Mario Porter is pleading to limited access 1 to 5 and a failure to display. The other 2 matters are being dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Also, the reason why I was logging in was to see if Van Thomas had a court-appointed attorney scheduled for 9:15, and he wasn't sure though.
That would indicate that he did. Give Madam Clerk just a minute. I know she's working with Ms. Horn.
Okay.
And then when you finish, if you could jump in and help Attorney Walling, just because he's got a couple of interpreter matters that he's.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, Madam Clerk, are you available?
Yes, I'm not sure if anyone has been appointed yet. I can try and look in the system, but so far it doesn't let us see that. They've been working.
Go ahead, but I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
I mean, it just
Yeah.
turned to 9:15, so.
Okay.
Yeah, the request was made. I just don't know if anyone's assigned yet.
Okay, we'll give it a few more minutes because maybe that person's running a little late.
Thank you.
Thank
Sergeant Tatum, which case are you here on, please?
It is. There's the 20th. It is Denzel Taylor.
And I'll get you into breakout room number 1 so you can meet with the city attorney.
Okay.
And then Madam
He's
Clerk.
he's also trial with, nothing.
Okay. Can you please call the Porter matter?
For Mario Porter, SP 1854075, count 1 and 2. Drive my license suspended, disregard traffic control device, and SX 4663234, counts 1 and 2. Throw while license suspended, and motor vehicle operation without security.
All right, thank you, Mr. Porter. Good morning. It just means no insurance, Mr. Porter. Good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Mario Porter.
Thank you. Yeah, that no security is confusing. It's just talking about whether or not you have insurance. Okay. So that's one of the ones that's getting dismissed along with the driver's license ticket in exchange for your plea of responsibility to going 1 to 5 over the speed limit, limited access. You understand?
Yes.
That sound right to you?
Yes.
And you are making the admission to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at this time?
Yes.
Okay. $125, 60 days. So 60 days, you can either pay it in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. If you need a longer term payment plan, just let them know. They'll want a down payment. Yeah, as long as you give them the down payment in the next 60 days, this deal remains intact. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, Mr. Porter.
You too. Thank you so much.
So his was just to the traffic control device?
Yes. And a 1 to 5 limited is the plea. I'm a okay. Hey, I'm sorry. On rooms 3 and 4, are those your offers or are those resolved, please?
Those are my offers.
Okay.
And Your Honor, thank you for bringing me in though. On Erica Pierce,
Yeah.
I don't understand what Mr. Johnson has there because she's got a disorderly and a pedestrian disregard. And I believe the other matter is in warrant status. If I'm
Oh,
not
that's not his fault, then that's ours. Because I was renaming the room so he would know that she had warrants and Kim was telling me what they were for, so.
okay, thank you.
So we'll just grab him and let him know that that one's off.
Okay,
The
thank you.
court reporter had to go to another courtroom briefly, so we're in a hold on the 3 interpreter cases. Could I again get that ticket on Darnell Parker, please?
Oh, I forgot. I'm sorry. Yes.
That's okay. I kind of figured. No problem.
Okay.
And you know you have offers on the rooms 3 and 4.
Yes,
They're in the
Judge.
room title. Okay, just making sure you knew that Ms. Horn had put them there.
I'd love to discuss those with my clients, but I've lost the court reporter temporarily.
Okay.
You mean the interpreter?
That's what I meant.
Okay, that's what I was
You know what I
confused.
meant.
Thank
The
you. Okay.
person I need to communicate with.
The interpreter
No,
is
it's the
back, Your
second time
Honor.
you said that.
Oh, she's back.
The
She
inter-
just
the- Your Honor, the interpreter is back. If he is ready, I am ready again. Thank you.
Meet you
Well, where
in
do we meet? In
11.
11?
Yep.
Great. Meet you there.
Okay.
Okay, so I just gave Erica Pierce a new offer.
great.
And that's the ticket ending. And I'm aware of the warrant status and dismissed the other 2.
Okay, great. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, Judge.
All right, looks like we're going to be ready next on Anwar Pai. Corporal
Oh, and
Baker, good morning. Which case are you here on, Corporal Baker?
Oh, yes, 1 second, ma'am. Let me see.
I'm sorry, Ms. Horn, you were speaking and I interrupted you.
no, that's okay. Powers, he's coming back about 10, I guess.
Yeah, he'll be back at 10.
Okay, just a FTD. Because I looked at the age of the tickets.
Okay. And is there a particular officer you're assigning that FTD to?
We can do Charo Turner.
Okay.
Since he already checked in.
He was the one that showed up. Okay, gotcha.
Yep,
Thank you.
you.
All right, Corporal Baker, moving you to room 1 to meet with City Attorney.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, and good morning.
Good morning. Denzel Taylor, good morning.
Good morning.
Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
Not since the last court date.
Okay, that's fine. You're scheduled for trial today. The officer is here, so someone will be to speak with you in a bit. I need to put you in a breakout room for that to happen.
Okay.
I'm going to put you in room 17. Please join room 17.
Your Honor, Corporal Baker, I'm here on Asia Thomas.
Okay. Good morning, Corporal Baker. I thought I had placed you in breakout room already. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, we'll get you into breakout room number 1 so you can see the city attorney.
Okay, thank you.
Go ahead and join. Thank you. Officer Land, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning. I'm here for Denzel Taylor.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor is here. He just checked in.
Thank you.
You're going to room 1 to meet with city attorney.
All right, thank you.
Officer Nasser, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Placing you in breakout room number 1.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
meet the city attorney. Please join room 1. City attorney is there waiting. Anwar Pai, main session. Anwar Pai, join main session. Right, Madam Clerk, when you're ready, would you please call the Pai matter?
Okay, for Anwar Pai, SP 154
Yes.
6680, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you, Mr. Pai. Please state your name for the record.
Anwar Pai.
Thank you. One moment, please. One.
I'm sorry. I'm good. How you?
I'm just double checking something. All right, I'm trying to understand. Attorney Johnson, did you work with Mr. Pai?
I did, Your Honor, yes.
Is that due care and caution waste utility vehicle?
It just had due care, caution, yes. So,
That's usually waste utility vehicle.
right.
Okay. Officer Randall, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
I'm for Denzel Taylor.
Thank you. Mr.
You're
Taylor
welcome.
is here. I'm going to get you into room 1 to see the city attorney. And I'm sorry, Madam Court Reporter, for muddying your record. I'll get back to Mr. Pai.
No worries, Your Honor.
Thank you. Officer Randall, please go to room 1. All right, Mr. Pai, looks like you're going to be pleading to failure to use due care and caution utility vehicle, 3 counts of improper plates, 1 count of failure to display, and 11 other matters are being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes. Can I ask one question, please? I'm sorry.
Okay, Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on
Thank-
behalf of Mr. Pai, who's appearing via Zoom.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Pai, your attorney is here. If you have a question that, you don't want me to hear and you want to ask of him, you're welcome to go back into breakout room.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I think it might have been regarding points, and I said it, there may be points, but I wasn't sure the exact total.
Thank you. Okay. So that's exactly why I was looking at that failure to use due care and caution, because that carries more points than the plea that I normally see, which is failure to use due care and caution utility vehicle. I can't tell you it's no points. Hold on.
I'm sure it's what you normally see. It just said due care on my end.
Yeah, I'm sure that that's what it is. She would not make an offer to the other one.
Right.
I just want to take a quick look. Yeah. Yep, that one can be a 2-point violation, whereas the other one would have been a 6. So that's 2. That's the only one that carries any points, though, that you're admitting to. So that would be the extent of the points that you would be getting today.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Did anybody promise you anything else get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Okay. Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, they told me.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the due care and caution utility vehicle, please?
I'm sorry, May 16, 2020, Mac Avenue in St. Clair. The count is 1 for reckless driving.
Thank you. Mr. Pye, is it true that you're admitting to failure to use due care and caution near a waste utility vehicle as opposed to your original charge, which we are amending?
I'm sorry, I'm not understanding the utility vehicle.
It's just a way of reducing the points that you would have gotten for reckless driving, Mr. Pye.
Okay.
You understand, but you do have to admit to it for me to do that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Then may I have a date and location for the improper plates?
For the improper plates, it's gonna be the ticket ending in 439, counts 1, 2, and 3, September 12th, 2022, Livernois Grand River, improper plates, no insurance misdemeanor, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle.
Thank you. Mr. Pye, is it true that on the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle on a public roadway without proper plates?
Yes.
Were the plates also improper because there was no insurance on the vehicle at the time?
Yes.
And were the plates also improper due to a lack of registration at the time?
Yes.
Thank you. And then I need one failure to display date, please, Madam Clerk.
Okay. For ticket ending in 421, September 12th, 2022, Livernois Grand River, drive while license suspended.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, could you, if you know the fine on the due care and caution, sir, on the improper plate, your first one's going to be 190. Your second improper plate is 100 and your third improper plate is 100. And then on your failure to display, that one is going to be 190. The due care and caution.
Same date and location for the
Oh, failure to display. Very good. We can keep that one at 100 instead of 190. Very good. So 190, then 3 fines of 100, and then we have the due care and caution.
You set the fine.
Okay. That one's got to go back up to 190. All right. Okay, so we've got 2 fines of 190, 3 fines of $100, sir. I'm going to give you 90 days since you've got quite a few fines here. 90 days to either pay them in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you give them the down payment within the 90 days, all this remains in place. And for the record, you're getting 11 other matters dismissed today. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You too.
Okay. Attorney Johnson, you need me?
I'm about to go into room 6.
Okay. Your new offers in the room title.
Thank you.
Trooper Bichkaya, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Long time no see. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Which case are you here on today?
Denzel Taylor.
All right, Mr. Taylor is here. Get you into breakout room with city attorney.
Thank you.
Room number 1. Hey, Attorney Carpenter, I feel like I haven't seen you in a minute as well. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good, thanks. Which case are you here on today?
Jermaine Parnell.
Okay. Let's see if Mr. Parnell, do you know if he's here? Oh, you don't have
He's been
COVID.
letting me know he's having difficulties joining, so I'm trying to help him.
Okay, right. I'll let you work with that for a moment.
Okay.
Then we're just waiting for the interpreter on our other matter. Sergeant Amarante, good morning. Which case are you here on, please?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm on Jermaine Parnell.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Parnell is trying to get checked in. His attorney is here in the room with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All right, sending you to room 1 so you can see the city attorney. Madam Clerk, I'll be right back. 2 seconds.
Okay.
That's what
Deion Thompson. Deion Thompson, I need you to unmute. This is the court clerk.
Okay.
Is your middle name Antonio?
Yeah.
You're scheduled for tomorrow, May 21 at 9:15.
Oh, I'm too soon. Okay. All right,
And
but
we can't take care of it today because it looks like you're having an attorney appointed to you, so we'll have to do it tomorrow.
okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right. See you tomorrow.
All right. Bye-bye.
Mr. Parnell, good morning. You're here for trial today. The officers are here. Let me just double check that. Let me make sure that I'm saying the right thing. Yep, there is an officer here on your matter.
Your Honor, is there only one officer checked in as of right now?
Yes.
Okay.
2 appeared. Longuski appeared earlier.
He would have already spoken with Miss Horn then, so check in with him.
Okay.
And Mr. Parnell, I'm going to move you to a breakout room. I'm going to move him to room 5. Please join room 5. Attorney Massaria, good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Not doing too bad.
All right, your client is in room 8.
Perfect. Do we have an Officer Hill checked in yet, Judge?
I don't think so. Madam Clerk, are you aware of Officer Hill checking in this morning?
No, I don't remember an Officer Hill.
Officer Hill. Oh.
No,
Got it. I think they still have some time, right?
Yep, they've got about 15 minutes. Corporal Croxton, good morning. Sending you to room 1 to meet with City Attorney. Good morning.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Attorney Massaria, are you also with Denzel Taylor?
Attorney Reese Carpenter will be zooming in for that.
Okay, so Mr. Carpenter is here, but when he checked in, he did not tell us that he was here on Taylor, so we need to make sure.
Got it. I'll shoot him a text.
Thank you. All right, do we have our interpreter somewhere? Oh, yeah, she's in room 3. Okay. Denzel Taylor, good morning. Again.
Good morning. I'm sorry, I lost connection.
It's okay. Your attorney is here and will be with you in a moment. He's in seeing another client that was here when you got dropped off, so he'll be to you next.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, I'm going to move you to room 4, Mr. Taylor.
Okay.
Where'd you go? Yep, go ahead to room 4 for me, please. And then Attorney Walling, are you aware that there appears to be one more interpreter matter down low in like room 14?
I
No,
didn't
Your
know
Honor,
that,
but
but
we can go.
that's fine. Or would you like to get these 3 that are done out of here?
Totally up to you.
Let's and that person is in 14, or did you move them?
Nope, they're in 14.
Okay. I'm off to 14 then. Madam
Okay.
Interpreter, are you on your way?
I am on my way.
Okay, thank you. Ooh.
Okay, señor Trejo García y Trejo Aguiar y Paul Carranza, esperas para 5 minutos para la intérprete, por favor.
Ok, está bien.
Okay.
That's right.
All right. Attorney Massaria, your client was in, what did I say?
It was room 8. I already touched base with her, Judge.
Room 8. So I'm just gonna move her up. I'm trying to get some order in these breakout rooms. I'm gonna move her up to 3 so she's there where you can see her, okay?
Got it. Thank you.
Peter?
Corporal Rule is here in person for, he's checked in for Asia Thomas.
Okay. Hey, Corporal Rule.
Good morning. I can
How
zoom.
are
I can. Good, you?
Good.
I can zoom in, Your Honor.
Up to you. I mean, I have a note that you're here. City attorney. She's not in room 1 right now. She might be in another courtroom at the moment, honestly.
Yeah.
Who is that again?
Now, where did she go? Why do people keep logging on? Attorney Massaria, you may want to contact your client. It looks like she dropped off.
Got it. I'll see if I can reach her.
Thanks. Attorney Carpenter, I just wanted to let you know that your other client who I'm informed you have today is in room 4, Denzel Taylor.
I'll be handling that one, Judge.
Oh, you're going to do that one. Okay, then I'll
Yeah.
rename the room again. Thanks.
Thank you.
In room 4, though, then Attorney Massaria. Okay, Corporal Rule, I'll get you into breakout room number 1.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Madam Clerk. Why? Oh, how did she get all the way down there? That's what I've been looking for. All right, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Danielle Taylor matter when you're ready? Danielle Taylor, are you still with me?
Yes, I'm still here.
Okay, very good. Let's get your camera started. We'll get you out of here. Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready on Danielle Taylor.
Okay. For Danielle Latrice Taylor, SP 1878844, counts 1 and 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, fail to display a valid operator's license, and in default, SP 1878850, count 1, defective brake lights.
Thank you. Ms. Taylor, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Danielle Taylor.
Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to one count of failure to display a valid license, everything else being dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location, please?
March 10th, 2026, Hubble and Finkel.
Ma'am, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to get it paid in full or to start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. As long as you do one of those two things in the next 60 days, this deal, including your dismissals, remains in place, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Let's take a look and see if there are offers on Peak Taylor. Well, Denzel Taylor's trial. So that's trial officers here.
Peak may be a dismissal because we haven't heard from Officer Hill.
Okay.
It's from 2022.
Okay. Thank you. And then what about Jermaine Parnell? Is that a trial case? Yes, that's a trial. Okay, thanks. Okay, we're ready on Erica Pierce. Attorney Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Madam Clerk, would you pull the Erica Pierce file, please, and call that matter when you're ready? Be right with you, Attorney Walling.
No, I lost my interpreter momentarily, Judge.
Okay, we've got another case to call, so that's okay.
Madam Clerk, can I get that ticket on Parker sent to me?
It's been sent.
Pardon me?
It's been sent.
Oh. Huh. I haven't received it.
You're in, oh, you lost it. Okay, I see what
I have your notification this morning, but I am.
You know what? I sent it to Attorney Wallace. Instead of Walling.
It's quite all right. Ted and I get mistaken all the time.
Okay, guys, so we've got, hold on just a moment, guys. Let's get, after you get that to Mr. Walling.
Done.
Okay, great. I'd like to call the Talisha Peak matter, Madam Clerk, and then I would like to call the Erica Pierce matter. So we can start with Peak, please.
Okay. For Talisha Peak, SP 1339358, count 1, open out in a motor vehicle passenger.
Thank you. Ms. Peak, state, Attorney Massaria.
Good morning, Frank Masseria, P 87848 on behalf of Miss Peak. Miss Peak, please state your full name for the record.
Talisha Peak.
Thank you. Counsel, no officer here for this matter.
Judge, it's my understanding there's no officer here. Today is the date and time of trial. I'd be making a motion to dismiss.
Thank you. Motion to dismiss is granted. Dismissal is without prejudice due to the officer's failure to appear. Ms. Peak, that means that they could refile the case in the future, although it is not their normal practice to do so. If they refiled it, you'd come back and see us again and we try to get it resolved, okay?
Okay, I do have one question.
Yes.
Now, with this being dismissed, this wouldn't affect me being able to apply for a driving job because I have two small children at home and I've been ready to go back to work, but this situation has prolonged it.
Yeah, it's gone. It's dismissed.
Okay.
Okay, so it should not have any effect. It doesn't exist anymore for you.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Good luck. Good luck with everything.
You guys have a blessed day.
You too.
You as
Bye-bye.
well.
Bye-bye.
Do we have Miss Horn here, Judge?
Doesn't appear that we do at the moment. Yeah, it does not appear so at the moment.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, ready on Erica Pierce when you are, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for Erica Juanita Pierce, SP 1868411, counts 1 and 2, disorderly conduct and disobey lawful order of a police officer, and 2 cases being taken out of warrant status. SP 1822318, counts 1 and 2, driver license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you, Attorney Johnson. Your appearance, please.
Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Ms. Pierce. This is appearing via Zoom. State your full name for the record.
Erica Juanita Pierce.
And you are making a motion to set aside warrants, counsel.
So move, Your Honor.
Okay, recalled. All right. All right. So it looks like a no contest plea to disorderly. With
No,
a
it'll be
3-month
the
delay
disorderly has been dismissed. It'll be a no contest plea to the pedestrian disregard and for a lack of memory, Your Honor.
Okay.
And then and that's under a 3-month delayed sentence.
Okay.
And then the ones that's in default, failure to display on the license offense, and then dismiss on the other matter.
Okay. Thank you. Ms. Pierce, is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
Your Honor, can you notify Mr. Wallings that the interpreter is available once again?
Okay, Madam Interpreter, I'm in the middle of a plea. I will do that, but
Oh, I apologize, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
all right. Ms. Pierce, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. Attorney Walling, your interpreter is back in room 14. Interpreter is now in room 14. Madam Clerk, may I have a date? And I understand as to the police office, pedestrian disregarding police officer's order, that is a no contest plea due to a lack of memory. Ms. Pierce, I just need to make sure that you understand a no contest plea does have the same effect in terms of punishments, fines, etc., as a guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Thank you. And Attorney Johnson, are we using the face of the ticket to establish the factual basis for that count?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And that is entered under a 3-month delayed sentence. We'll come back to that. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the failure to display, please?
October 31st, 2025, Crane Street and Gratiot.
Ma'am, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All right, so on each of these, you have a fine of $190 as long as counsel is satisfied with the factual bases.
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so 190 times 2. I'm just going to give you 90 days on both of them, okay?
Okay.
On your disregard police officer, that 190 must be paid in full in 90 days.
Okay.
On the other one, if you need a longer term payment plan, you can ask the cashiers about that and they can put you on a longer term payment plan, but you'll need to give them a down payment within the 90 days. So when you're prioritizing how to pay these tickets, make sure the cashiers know 190 is going on that disregarding police officer order first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you as well.
Thanks, bye. Okay, Attorney Johnson, I have Brandon Powers with me who was set for trial today. We did have at least one officer appear, Charo Turner. The offer for him is failure to display. Would you mind going to talk with him about that?
Okay, and dismiss everything else?
Yeah, Mr. Powers, please go to room 7. Brandon Powers, please join room 7. Thank you. Yep, he should be there in room 7 waiting for you.
Thank you.
All right. Corporal Bennett, I see you've come back in on Asia Thomas. What are we ready on, guys? Attorney Carpenter, I see you're back out with me. Attorney Massaria, are we ready on your matters, or are you guys just looking for city attorney?
I'm just waiting on the city attorney, Judge.
I wanted to see if Officer Bennett checked in for Jermaine Parnell.
Yes, Officer Bennett's here.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Corporal Bennett, are you also here on Asia Thomas, or are you not properly named?
I am also here on, yes, ma'am, Agent Thomas too.
Okay, thank you. We'll rename you. Thank you. That was probably part of the confusion. And did you come back out because you're looking for Miss Horn too?
Yes.
And Corporal Bennett, what brought you out?
I never was put in, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. So sorry. All right, here we go. Put you in room 1. Okay. She's not in there right now, but she'll be back.
Yes, ma'am.
Corporal Croxton, main session, please. Corporal Croxton, main session, please. Can you let's check Darnell Parker, please? Madam Clerk, would you please send me a copy of the Darnell Parker ticket as well?
Okay.
There's a motion. Thank you.
For Van Thomas, who is supposed to have a court-appointed attorney, no one has appeared, and I haven't heard anything back.
All right, I'll have Attorney Johnson see if he can work with him. All right, and looks like we are ready on Brandon Powers, Madam Clerk. Whenever you're ready. Good morning again.
Good morning, Miss Judge. Hey, Keith.
Good morning. All right, whenever you're ready, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for Brandon Laderick Powers, SP 111-38951, SP 133-07292, SP 1144947, and SP 133-07291, all scheduled for trial.
Thank you. Please state your name for the record.
Brandon Powers.
Thank you. All right, looks like there's going to be a plea to one count of failure to display a valid license, everything else being dismissed. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
I do, Your Honor.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. Attorney Horn, I'm making you co-host. Please be aware there's going to be a motion on the Darnell Parker ticket for dismissal, it appears. You do have
Yes.
officers and attorneys waiting.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Back to the powers matter, Madam Clerk. May I have a date and location, please?
September 13, 2020, East Larned. I can't make out this cross street. Maybe Mount Elliott.
Thank you. All right. Does that sound correct to you that at that date and location you were operating vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Did she say the location was Mount Elliott?
It sounded like it. It sounds like she's having trouble making it out completely. So I'm asking you if that sounds right to you.
Yeah, I was in that area around those years. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So then you're just admitting that you could not display a valid license to the officer at the time you were pulled over.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. That fine is going to be $190. You have 60 days to either get it paid in full or to see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse here. If you need a longer term payment plan, they'll just want a down payment from you. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. So the other tickets are
Everything else is
dismissed.
dismissed. Everything else is dismissed.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Ramsey. Thank you.
You are very welcome, Ms. Powers. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
All righty. Attorney Johnson, we have not had anyone show up on the Van Thomas matter. Would you mind just checking in to see if there's an offer you can convey? And if not, then they'll get a new date to come back. Hopefully the assignment system will
Because when I
catch
went
up.
in last time, he did say he had spoken to his attorney. I was remiss in finding out who that person was, but he was under the impression that his attorney was logging on, and that was probably at least 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, if you could see if he knows the name, that would be great.
Sure.
Thank you so much. Who's doing Jermaine Parnell in room 5? Is that Attorney Carpenter?
I don't remember because they switched up.
Yeah. But is it appointed? If so, then it's Attorney Carpenter if they've got appointed. Yes, that's Carpenter. Okay, thank you. Okay, ready on our interpreter matters. All
Yes,
right.
we are, Your Honor.
Okay, Madam
Your Honor.
Interpreter, thank you. Madam Interpreter, I'll go ahead and swear you as to all cases. So name and qualifications for the record.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is Ines Ucros, Ines Ucros, Ucros, Spanish interpreter assigned from this courthouse to help you today.
Thank you. Court is very familiar with the high quality and frequency of your work for this court. I do find you qualified to interpret. Just raise your right hand and swear affirm that you will, as accurately as possible and to the best of your ability, translate English to Spanish and Spanish to English today.
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Attorney Walling, where shall we begin?
Abogado Walling, ¿con quién quiere usted iniciar?
From the top, Your Honor, let's start with Gilberto Trejo Garcia.
Okay.
Señor Gilberto Trego García, por favor, Trujillo García, por favor, Trejo García, por favor, active su cámara y su micrófono.
Okay.
Your Honor, there is a
Active su cámara.
recommendation before the court.
Okay, hold on. We need to
I'm
call
sorry.
it.
Yeah, I'm jumping the gun.
That's okay. All right. Mr. Trejo Garcia, please turn on your video. I am sending you a prompt to do that now.
Señor Trejo García, por favor, active su cámara. Yo le estoy enviando una invitación para que haga esto inmediatamente.
Ya.
I'm ready.
Ujú.
Are you ready for me, Judge?
Madam Clerk.
SP 1896058 counts 1 and SP 1896055 count 1.
Bueno, estamos presentes en el acta. En el caso SP 1896058, cargo 1, y en el número de multa SP 1896055, cargo 1.
Counsel.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Mr. Garcia, Trejo Garcia today.
Buenos días, su señoría. Yo soy el abogado Walling con número de registro P352229, representando al señor Trejo García el día de hoy.
Today is the date and time set for an arraignment.
Hoy ha sido la fecha y la hora seleccionada para una lectura oficial de los cargos.
We waive any kind of formal reading and stand mute at this time.
Nosotros renunciamos a una lectura oficial de los cargos y nos quedamos mudos en este momento.
Court notes formal reading has been waived. Enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf.
Your Honor,
Bueno, este juez establece que no hay una lectura oficial de los cargos y presenta una declaración de no culpable en representación de su cliente en este momento.
we do have a resolution, Your Honor.
Su señoría, nosotros tenemos una resolución de este caso.
My client will plead to the amended charge of limited access 1 to 5.
Mi cliente se va a declarar responsable a un cargo reducido de acceso limitado, excediéndose el límite de velocidad de 1 a 5 millas por hora.
And the people are recommending a dismissal of the driving of no license never acquired and the disregarding the traffic device.
Y la fiscalía está dispuesta a desestimar los cargos que se le imputan por no haber tenido una licencia de conducción nunca adquirida y por no haber hecho caso de una señal de tránsito.
I have no objection to the court using the ticket as a factual basis.
No tengo ninguna objeción en que esta juez utilice la multa como los hechos presentados.
Please proceed, Your Honor.
Mr.
Continúe, su
Trejo,
señoría.
Mr. Trejo Garcia, you are making an admission that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
Señor Trejo García, usted está admitiendo que usted iba por lo menos 1 milla por encima del límite de velocidad. ¿Es esto correcto?
Sí, es correcto.
Yes, that is correct.
The admission is accepted. The fine is $125. You have 60 days to get it paid. The other 2 matters are dismissed.
Bueno, usted entonces se presenta y se acoge la admisión que usted está dando y usted tiene una multa de $125, la cual tiene 60 días para pagar esta multa y los otros 2 cargos han sido desestimados de acuerdo al acuerdo.
If you cannot pay it all within 60 days, you may ask the cashiers on the first floor for a longer payment plan and give them a down payment within the 60 days.
Si usted no puede pagar esta suma en este periodo de 60 días, usted podría solicitar a la cajera de este juzgado que le extienda esta oportunidad de pagar este dinero presentando una suma de dinero en los siguientes 60 días.
Sí, está bien, sí lo puedo pagar. Gracias.
Yes, that will be all right. I can pay it. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
Que tenga un buen día, señor. Ya se puede retirar de esta audiencia.
Igualmente, muchas gracias.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, please do note that that is a 1 to 5 limited access, just for clarity. All right.
Señora, well, she left. He left.
Next up, Your Honor, is Fabian Trujillo Aguilar.
El siguiente señor, su señoría, es el señor Fabián Trujillo Aguilar.
Mr. Trujillo
Señor,
Aguilar, please unmute and start your camera.
señor Trujillo Aguilar, por favor, active su micrófono y prenda su cámara. Active su micrófono.
Madam Clerk, please call the case.
SP 1896354, count 1, and SP 1896339, count 1.
Los números de multa son SP 189-63541 y el número SP 189-63391.
Counsel.
My name is Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Fabian Trujillo Aguilar.
Yo soy el señor Walling, estoy representando al señor Fabián Trujillo Aguilar.
Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea, and we waive any kind of formal reading.
Su señoría, para este proceso, nosotros queremos continuar renunciando a la lectura oficial de los cargos y continuando presentando una declaración de no culpable.
My client, pursuant to the people's recommendation, Your Honor, will be pleading to responsible to limited access 1 to 5.
Bueno, mi cliente, de acuerdo a lo que propone la fiscalía, se va a declarar responsable de haber conducido un vehículo en exceso de velocidad de 1 a 5 millas por hora, acceso limitado.
That is an amendment of the failed to yield right away.
Esta es un cargo reducido por no haberse detenido al dar la vía a otro vehículo.
And at that point, the people are recommending a dismissal of the driver's license matter never acquired and the original civil infraction.
Y en este momento la fiscalía está desestimando el que hubiera habido un cargo por licencia de conducción nunca adquirida y desestimar el cargo de la infracción civil.
I have no objection to the court using the ticket as a factual basis.
No tengo ninguna objeción a que este juez utilice la multa original para presentación de los hechos.
Please proceed, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr.
Continúe, su señoría.
Mr. Trujillo Aguilar, you are admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit for this ticket, correct?
Señor Trujillo Aguilar, usted está admitiendo que usted iba por lo menos 1 milla por encima del límite de velocidad para esta multa.
Sí, todo.
Yes, yes, I do admit it. Yes.
Your fine is $125. You have 60 days to pay it all or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor. If you cannot pay it all, they will want a down payment from you within 60 days.
Bueno, usted entonces tiene una multa que se le imputa de $125, lo cual usted tiene un periodo de 60 días para pagarlo. Si usted no puede pagar esta multa en ese periodo de tiempo, debe acercarse a las cajeras que se encuentran en el primer piso del juzgado para que con una suma de dinero usted pueda iniciar un plan de pago sobre esta multa que se le imputa en los siguientes 60 días. Yes, that will be all right.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
Que tenga un buen día, señor.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Nada. Okay.
Your Honor, now we're moving down to the 8:45 show cause docket.
All right.
Luis Paut Carranza.
Bueno, su señoría, ahora vamos a hablar del caso del señor Luis Paut Carranza. Señor Carranza, active su micrófono
moment,
y
please.
active su cámara.
One moment, please. Trooper Bachkaya, which case are you here on, please, so that I can get you back in with city attorney? Please unmute. You're still muted, Trooper Bachkaya.
Sorry about that. Denzel Taylor. I had to log into another courtroom really quick.
All right. Let me see if you can catch city attorney here.
Thank you.
I'll get you into room 1. Okay, please join room 1, and then we are on Paut Carranza. Madam Clerk, when you're ready to call it. Thank you.
SP 1888316 count 1, driver's license never required.
Señor Paut Carranza, active su cámara y active su micrófono.
Ya activé el...
Gracias. Estamos presentes en el acta en el número de caso SP 1888-3161, licencia de conducción nunca adquirida.
Your Honor, if there are any warrants, I ask that they be recalled, waive any kind of formal reading, and stand mute. We do have a resolution.
Bueno, su señoría, yo estoy pidiendo que si hay alguna orden por arresto, que esta sea dejada de alto, que estamos presentando una declaración de no culpable y nos renunciamos a la lectura oficial de los cargos.
Any and all warrants will be recalled. Court notes formal reading has been waived and enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf for this time.
Bueno, cualquier orden de arresto que pudiera haber estado presentada en este cargo será dejada de lado. Vamos a reconocer que que no se renuncia a la lectura oficial de los cargos y que se va a presentar una declaración de no culpable en este caso.
Your Honor, pursuant to the people's recommendation, my client will be tendering a plea of guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive his motor vehicle.
Bueno, debido a la recomendación que está dando la fiscalía, mi cliente está considerando en aceptar la oferta que se hace de haberle permitido a una persona que no tenía una licencia de conducción el conducir el vehículo.
The original charge, of course, to be dismissed.
Y por supuesto, el cargo original que haya sido desestimado.
He has been advised of his rights.
Su señoría, se le indicó cuáles eran sus derechos.
Sir, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
Señor, ¿alguien le prometió algo más para que usted se declarara culpable el día de hoy?
Me prometieron que no iba a quedar registro del ticket si lo pagaba a tiempo y me prometieron que no iba a tener que no iba a quedar el registro del ticket si lo pagaba a tiempo. ¿Y qué más fue lo otro que me dijeron?
They promised me that there will be no
Y que
notification
no me
of
iban a
this
dar
ticket,
puntos para la licencia tampoco.
and that I would not have. What else did they promise me? That I would not have points on my driver's license.
That is all correct.
Esto todo es correcto.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
¿Alguien lo forzó, lo amenazó o le indicó que usted se tenía que declarar culpable el día de hoy?
No.
No.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
¿Y usted se está declarando culpable porque efectivamente usted es culpable?
Sí, no tenía una licencia válida en el momento.
Yes, I didn't have a valid driver's license at that time.
Right. Did counsel inform you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Y el abogado le informó que usted tenía derecho a tener un juicio y cuáles eran estos derechos si usted iba a juicio.
Sí,
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted no va a tener estos derechos el día de hoy si yo acepto su declaración de culpabilidad porque usted no va a tener un juicio.
sí.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand and swear
Por favor,
or
levante. Go ahead, Your Honor.
please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
Por favor, levante la mano derecha. Usted jura y afirma que lo que usted me va a decir aquí el día de hoy será la verdad.
Sí.
Yes.
Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location for the allowing, please?
Señora secretaria, por favor, dígame cuál fue la fecha y el lugar en donde ocurrió esto.
March 27, 2026, Livernois and Federal.
Esto ocurrió el 27 de marzo del 2026 entre las intersecciones de la calle Livernois y Federman.
Sir, at that date and location, did you allow an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Señor, en este lugar y en esta fecha y en este lugar, ¿usted le permitió a una persona que no tenía una licencia de conducción el conducir ese vehículo, así esa persona fuera usted?
Sí.
Yes.
Thank you. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to pay it in full or start on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment.
Usted entonces tiene una multa que se le impone de $190, la cual tiene 60 días para pagar en su totalidad, acercándose o podría iniciar un plan de pago acercándose a las cajeras que se encuentran en el primer piso y dando una suma inicial de pago.
Have a good day, sir.
Que tenga un buen día, señor.
Muchas gracias igualmente.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Before we call the next interpreter matter, one moment, please. Thomas Parsons, please unmute. Thomas Parsons, please unmute. Sir,
Yeah, okay.
it's
Yeah.
10:30. How may I help you?
Okay, so basically, my court date got rescheduled, but I didn't know what the meeting ID was. And I was trying to see if you could still see me today or if I needed to just reschedule it.
It's possible that we're going to need to reschedule. I'll need you to hang out for a moment and I'll try to determine that. Give me a moment, please. Thank you. All right, ready on our next interpreter matter, please, Madam Clerk.
And Your Honor, just real quick, may I release officers on Asia Thomas? She has not checked in from what
Yes,
I can
ma'am,
tell.
you may release them. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you, Your Honor. Mhm.
All right, Madam Clerk, ready on our last interpreter matter.
Yes, Your Honor. This is again from the show cause docket, Joel Palamique.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready. You may be muted, Madam Clerk. We're not hearing anything.
Cases SP 188-9915, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 188-9886, count 1.
Your Honor, the interpreter has a different case numbers.
Is this on Palamique, Madam Clerk?
Yeah, show cause. These other cases may be in default.
Are they okay?
I'm checking now.
Yep.
Yep. Because they were show cause, those cases. Those 2 civil infractions are in default.
And when are they in default from?
Las dos infracciones civiles se encuentran en un fallo por falta de comparecencia.
From April 30th
Okay,
of this year.
Abril 30 de este año.
So those can be addressed today, but we do need Ms. Horn again.
Right.
Entonces, estas, podríamos hablar de estas el día de hoy, pero entonces necesitamos nuevamente que la señora Horn se presente.
And what are those civil infractions for?
¿Cuáles son estas infracciones civiles?
Disregard traffic control device,
el hacer caso omiso de un aparato de velocidad, de un aparato de tránsito. Ujú.
An expired plate civil.
Y las placas vencidas, infracción civil.
Thank you. Ms. Horn, you're needed on the Palomeque matter because there are two tickets in default. You okay with me moving him to room 3, Attorney Walling?
Por favor, entonces, acepte la invitación que va a aparecer en su pantalla, abogado Walling. Vamos a llevarlo a una sesión separada, la número 3.
Mr. Palomeque, please join room 3 to meet with your attorney again.
Señor Palomeque, por favor, acepte la invitación que aparece en su pantalla para ir a una sesión separada, la número 3, para poder hablar nuevamente con su abogado.
And then, Mr. Walling, before you go, please go to room 3, Mr. Palomeque.
And what are the default charges, Your Honor, for Palomeque?
Disregard track control device and expired plate civil.
Thank you. Limited access, Mr. Walling, just for your records before you have to go back here. Limited access on the device.
Can we do the expired plate and dismiss the device?
I gave you the offer that I'm giving.
Okay.
And it dismissed the expired plate and allowing on the suspended that's on the docket.
It's allowing. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And on the motion, the people have no contest.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Well, let's get that one called then, please, Madam Clerk, before we lose Attorney Walling, since that's quick to do. Can you pull the Darnell Parker file and call that, please, Madam Clerk?
For Darnell Max Parker, U743-88526, illegal occupation.
Thank you, counsel.
Philip X. Walling representing Darnell Parker. State your name, please, Mr. Parker.
Darnell Max Parker.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant. I would, at this time, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. I'm asking the court to recall all the warrants and we'd waive any kind of formal reading.
Thank you. Court notes formal reading has been waived. Continues your client's not guilty plea, and any and all warrants are recalled at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm moving to dismiss this matter. My client is charged with
I get it. It just says working at illegal occupation.
Is that I couldn't make what that was. So it's working, huh? Anyway, the nature of the motion, Your Honor, is there is insufficient evidence for this lawyer or any lawyer at this point to provide any kind of sound legal advice because we do not know what the illegal occupation, and all of them have different proofs that the people must prove. I'm moving to dismiss based upon that making ineffective assistance of counsel, unfortunately, a byproduct of that, and the people have no contest to that motion.
All right, thank you. The people have noted that they were not opposing the motion. Court is granting the motion on the basis stated by Attorney Walling, also because I feel that the face of the ticket fails to meet the requirements of due process adequately, informing the defendant of the charges against him such that he can defend himself against those charges. So at this time, the motion, unless Ms. Horn, you have something you'd like to state on the record, I'm going to go ahead with the ruling.
Thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit. All assertions made on the record are true.
Thank you. Motion to dismiss as to Mr. Parker's ticket is granted. Mr. Parker, your ticket is dismissed. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Bye-bye.
All right, and he's now in 3, I believe you said.
Thank you. All right. And then, Madam Clerk, looks like we may be ready on Denzel Taylor. And let's see who else we've got. Let me start pulling people out of here. Mr. Parsons, listen, you've come into my courtroom 2 hours late. I appreciate it. Looks like you came down to the courthouse, but you're now jumping in and out, and I need to finish what I'm doing. I will be with you in just a moment. I'm going to mute you and turn off your camera. All right. Who do I have with me? I've got Denzel Taylor. Do I have the officer on Mr. Taylor?
I can move them to the main session, Your Honor.
Okay. In the meantime, Madam Clerk, ready on Jermaine Parnell. We'll go to Parnell next while we move these officers, and then oh, we've got Bennett still in there on Jermaine Parnell. Let me bring him out. Officers on the Taylor and Parnell matters, please join the main session. Officers on the Taylor and Parnell matters, please join the main session. Officers on the Asia Thomas matter, you are released. On the Asia Thomas matter, you are released. Thank you. Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready.
For Jermaine Parnell, SP 1619779, count 1, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Counsel on the Parnell matter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895, on behalf of Jermaine Parnell. Jermaine Parnell, please state your full name for the record.
Jermaine Parnell.
Thank you. Sergeant Emirante, please state your name for the record.
Morning, ma'am. Sergeant Amarante, batch S565.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett.
Yes, ma'am. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. I thought I had one other officer here on Parnell. If I missed you, please unmute, speak up, state your name for the record.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Lunguski is available for trial. He is in training and on call for this matter.
All right, thank you. Then I'm not crazy, and he really was here. There was another.
Yes, Your
okay,
Honor.
very good. All right, Attorney Carpenter, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, my client indicated to me that he wishes to accept a plea deal as far as all tickets.
Okay, thank you. And Attorney Carpenter, please detail the plea agreement for me.
Yes, for ticket number 1 with Officer Wanguski, my client again indicated they wishes to accept the people's offer. As part of the people's offer, the driving with revoked license would be dismissed, and the failure to display operator's license would be discharged. And sorry, he wants to plead no contest to that as well.
All right, that's as to Lunguski's ticket. What's next?
For Officer Amarante's ticket, my client also wants to plead no contest. The consuming alcohol in public would be as charged, but with a 3 months delayed sentence.
All right, and what's next?
Excuse me, Judge, you're broadcasting in room 3.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm broadcasting to all rooms. Thank you.
Well, I got an interpreter. It's worse.
Done. There we go. All right. Okay.
All right.
For ticket number 3 with the driving with revoked license charge, that one would be dismissed. And that was the one from December 14th of 2023.
Which officers on that one, please?
Bennett.
Bennett 2023 dismissed. Okay.
And yes, Your Honor, for the record, the improper plate ticket, SP 139-24072, counsel did provide valid documentation, and that's just as an advisement also to Bennett as to why.
Thank you. All right. Anything else?
And then, Your Honor, as for the last ticket, all of the matters would be dismissed on that one.
And what's the ticket number there or the officer assigned, please?
Bennett.
Thank you. All right, so what I have is 1 count of failure to display with Officer Lunguski. Then I have 1 count of consuming alcohol in public with a 3-month delay with Sergeant Emirante. And then I have Corporal Bennett's tickets being dismissed. So just 2 please.
That's correct, Your Honor, and he's pleading no contest for both of those.
All right, thank you. And the reason for the no contest, please?
Lack of recollection.
Thank you. And what are we using to establish the factual basis? Are we using the face of the ticket?
Yeah, the face of the ticket, yes.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Parnell, is all of this consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Thank you. And you understand that a no contest plea has the same effect as a guilty plea in terms of fees, fines, punishments, etc.
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
And you are pleading no contest to both of these charges at this time. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, is everybody satisfied with this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, on the failure to display, that's going to be $190. And then on the consuming alcohol, that's also going to be $190. The consuming alcohol is a 3-month delayed sentence. You have 90 days to get it paid. It needs to be paid in 90 days for this to come off your record in 90 days. It will come off as long as you paid and don't get any similar tickets for those 90 days, okay?
Okay.
I'll give you 90 days on the other one as well, the failure to display, but on that one, if you need a longer time to pay, you can ask the cashiers and they'll give you a longer time to pay with a down payment.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day. Officers, thank you for your appearance.
All right. Thank you.
Good day. Yes, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, and let's go to the Taylor matter.
For Denzel Rayshard Taylor, SP 1865456, count 1, and all other matters scheduled for today's docket.
Thank you. Appearances, please.
Good morning, Judge Frank Miseria P. 87848 on behalf of Mr. Taylor. Mr. Taylor, please state your full name for the record.
Denzel Taylor.
Thank you. What are we doing here?
Yes, Judge. At this time, we'll be accepting the people's offer. And the offer is to plead to a 6-month delayed sentence on the open alcohol passenger ticket. And go from driver's license suspended to fail to display on the ticket ending 67161.
That's a failure to display.
That is correct, Judge. And that will be the plea.
Thank you. Mr. Taylor, does that sound right to you?
Yes.
Anyone promise? I'm sorry, before I do that, officers on the Denzel Taylor matter, please unmute, turn on your cameras and state your names for the record. Officer Land.
Officer Land, DPD, badge 3024.
Thank you. Officer Randall.
Officer Randall, badge 3650.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Taylor,
Judge, sorry to interrupt. I do want to know Trooper, I want to say Borsh Kaja did check in too. I'm probably butchering his name, but I did want to know he was here.
I think it's Buchkaya. If I'm wrong, I've been wrong for years and he hasn't corrected me. So I think it's Buchkaya. That's okay. I'll tell you, I am, I grew up in Missouri and the vowels mess with me. I'm always off. I think I call you Masseria or Massaria. I can't get my A's right.
Whatever gets my attention.
All right. All right. So Mr. Taylor, if all of this sounds right to you, did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location on the open alcohol passenger, please?
February 23rd, 2026, Grand River and Whitney.
Sir, is it true that at the date and location just stated by Madam Clerk, you were in a vehicle which was operating on a public roadway with alcohol in the passenger area?
Yes.
Counsel satisfied?
Satisfied, Judge.
Thank you. May I have a date and location on the failure to display ticket ending in 67161?
March 10th, 2024, East Lafayette and Bobian.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. On each of these, you have a fine of $190, okay? On your open alcohol passenger, that one must be paid in full in 6 months.
Okay.
If you pay it in full and don't get any similar tickets, it will come off of your criminal record. It's a misdemeanor, so it goes on, but we'll pull it off in 6 months as long as you do what you're supposed to do, okay?
Okay.
On the failure to display on that 190, I'm going to give you 60 days. You don't have to pay it all in 60 days, but you must at least get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
And Judge, sorry to interrupt. What's that 6-month delayed sentence date?
Oh, may we have a date on the 6 months, please?
November 16th at 8:30.
One more time, please.
November 16th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you. November 16th at 8:30.
Thank
Okay.
you, Judge.
Okay, but you don't have to come if you've complied with everything. As long as you've paid it and you don't get any more tickets, you don't have to come to court. Okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Have a good day, Judge.
Thank you. All right, I know you're back on our interpreter matter. Give me just one moment before I get to that, please. Attorney Johnson, I know that you spoke with Van Thomas. We're trying to figure out who that appointed counsel was. Can one of you unmute and give me some assistance? Mr. Thomas, Van Thomas, or Ms. Thomas? All right, let me look at Thomas Parsons. One moment, please.
Hello,
I don't know who's saying hello.
Mr. Thomas.
Okay, I'm just trying to figure out what you had. Mr. Thomas, I'm hearing that you had an attorney who contacted you outside of court proceedings. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you know that attorney's name?
He was speaking so fast, he said that he was trying to hurry up and get in to log in. I didn't quite catch his name.
How did you contact the attorney?
He called me, actually.
Do you have a caller ID where you can see the number that he called from?
Yes, ma'am.
Madam Clerk, would you please send Van Thomas a chat and request that he send you back that phone number? Would you attempt to contact counsel, please? You're going to see a chat from the clerk. I need you to send the phone number that that attorney contacted you from so that we can try to get them here on your matter.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, then Thomas Parsons, give me one moment. I'm taking a look at what you've got going on with us today to see if we can deal with it today. Oh, wow. Okay. All right, let's see if I can get Attorney Johnson's attention. He might be able to go back in with you. Attorney Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Parsons has joined us.
One second,
albeit
let
a
me
bit
turn on my
late.
volume. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Mr. Parsons, Thomas Parsons has joined us, albeit a bit late, but he does have an offer in his file. Would you mind meeting him in breakout room number 3 just to convey the offer to him, please?
You said number 3?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Parsons, please join number 3. Please join the breakout room. Okay, now we are ready.
Yeah.
All right, and my apologies for the interruption to the interpreter and counsel as they were attempting to get through Mr. Palamekwe's matter.
That's quite all right, Your Honor.
All right, let me see if I can just call it since Madam Clerk is busy. All right, noting for the record that our interpreter has already been sworn.
Que conste en el acta que nuestro intérprete ya ha sido juramentado para otras audiencias, para otros casos previamente de este día.
Calling tickets numbered SP 188-99-151 and 152. City versus Joel Palamekwe. Charges of driving while license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
Tenemos la Fiscalía de Detroit contra el señor Joel Palamekwe, número de multa SP 88-99151 y 152, el manejar con una licencia de conducción suspendida y no tener aseguranza del vehículo.
Can you also put those civil infractions on the record for the court interpreter, Your Honor, the case numbers?
También podría indicar cuáles son los casos de las multas civiles para que consten en el acta, su señoría.
Madam Clerk, would you please call the 2 matters in default for Mr. Palamekwe? I'm unable to see them on my docket.
Your Honor, the interpreter is not seeing the case number that you just recited. I think that those are the civil infractions. The misdemeanors are 18655, 422, and 23.
No,
Those are for someone else.
yeah, I believe those were for, oh, wow.
Those are the ones that I have, Your Honor.
So for Mr. Palamekwe, the two that I called were misdemeanors of driving license suspended and no insurance. We'll wait for just a moment because the civil infractions in default are likely not listed on the docket. So Madam Clerk will have those numbers.
And those numbers ended, Madam Court Interpreter, I'm going to say reporter again, 9151 and 9152.
I believe then the interpreter had a mistake on her little notes because Mr. Palomekwe was a different case number. It was the one that I just gave, 18655, 422, 2, and 3.
Those are incorrect and belong to a different defendant with the last name of Parker. They are next on the docket, so that may be the source of that confusion.
That might be the reason, Your Honor. Thank you very much for correcting that matter.
That's okay. So just once again, for clarification, the tickets on today's docket for Mr. Palamekwe are SP 188, 99151, and 152, driver's license suspended and no insurance misdemeanor. We are aware that there are two other matters, civil infractions in default, that did not make it onto the docket. Madam Clerk, if you can hear us and you're available, would you please read those two tickets into the record, the civils that are in default?
Bueno, entonces para aclarar el acta, los casos que tenemos para el señor Palomecue son la multa SP 188-99151, la licencia de conducción suspendida, y el número de multa SP 188-99152, seguro del vehículo no adquirido. También existen dos infracciones civiles que se encontraban en fallo por falta de comparecencia, las cuales no tenemos esta información sobre el número de caso, pero que la secretaria, si está disponible, va a recitarlos para que consten en el acta.
SP 188-9915, count 3.
SP 188-9915, cargo 3.
And SP 188-9886, count 1.
Y el SP 188-9886, cargo 1.
The charges, please, Madam Clerk, since none of the rest of us can see them, please.
¿Y cuáles son los cargos? Porque ninguno de nosotros podemos tener la oportunidad de verlos.
Expired plates and disregard traffic control device.
Placas vencidas y el no hacer caso omiso de un aparato controlador del tráfico.
Counsel.
I'm going to start with the tickets that are on the docket, Your Honor.
Su señoría, yo voy a hablar de las multas que se encuentran como parte de las causas, de los causales del día de hoy.
Before we do that, appearances, please.
Oh.
Antes de que hagamos esto, por favor, preséntese para que consten en el acta.
Philip X. Walling, representing Joel Palomecue.
Yo soy el señor Walling, representando al señor Joel Palomecue.
Mr. Palomecue, please state your name for the record.
Señor Palomecue, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en actas.
Joel Patricio Palomecue Castro.
Joel Patricio Palomecue Castro.
So, the driver's license ticket, Your Honor, 9151, the people are recommending amending to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Bueno, entonces con respecto a la multa que se le impuso de la multa por conducir el vehículo terminada en 951, esta va a ser reducida a permitirle a una persona que no tenía una licencia de conducción el conducir el vehículo.
And 9152, the no insurance ticket to be dismissed.
Y la multa 952, el no haber tenido seguro del vehículo, este va a ser desestimado.
As to the civil infractions not on the docket,
Y con respecto a las infracciones civiles que no se encontraban en la lista de causas para hoy,
the disregarding the traffic control device,
al haber hecho caso omiso de un aparato para control de tráfico,
the people are recommended be amended
la fiscalía está recomendando que este cargo sea corregido
to
y
limited
reducido
access 1 to 5.
a exceder el límite de velocidad en acceso limitado de 1 a 5 millas por hora.
And the expired plate ticket to be dismissed.
Y la placa vencida que sea desestimada.
My client is ready for questioning by the court.
Mi cliente está listo para ser interrogado por esta juez.
He has been informed of his rights.
A él se le han informado cuáles son sus derechos.
Mr. Palomeque, did anyone promise you anything that I didn't just hear about to get you to plead guilty today?
Señor Palomeque, ¿alguien le prometió algo que yo no haya escuchado aquí el día de hoy para que usted se declarara culpable?
No.
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
¿Y alguien lo forzó, lo amenazó o lo obligó a que usted se declarara culpable el día de hoy?
No.
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
¿Usted se está declarando culpable porque usted es culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
El abogado le explicó que usted tiene derecho a tener un juicio y cuáles son los derechos que usted tiene durante el juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
And you understand that if I accept your plea today, you will not have those rights because there will not be a trial.
Y usted entiende que si usted se declara culpable el día de hoy, usted no va a tener un juicio y no va a tener estos derechos porque usted no va a tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Swear
Por
or
favor,
affirm.
levante la mano derecha.
Please swear or affirm that everything you are going to tell me today is the truth.
Por favor, jure y afirme que lo que usted me va a decir el día de hoy será la verdad.
Sí, digo la verdad.
Yes. Yes, I will tell the truth.
Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location for the ticket ending in 9151?
Señora secretaria, tenemos un lugar y una fecha para la multa terminada en 9151.
April 5th, 2026, West Davidson and Teller Street.
Esto ocurrió el 5 de abril del 2026 en la intersección de las calles West Davidson y Teller Street.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location, you allowed an unlicensed driver to operate your vehicle, even if that unlicensed driver was yourself?
Y señor, ¿es verdad que usted en esta fecha y en este lugar le permitió a una persona que conduciera el vehículo sin tener una licencia de conducción, pudiendo ser esa persona usted?
Sí.
Yes.
And as to your civil infraction for disregarding traffic control device, you are admitting to going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit. Is that correct?
Bueno, y con respecto a la infracción civil que se le imputa, usted admite que usted iba a por lo menos 1 milla por encima del límite de velocidad.
Sí.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. The fine on the allowing unlicensed driver is $190. The fine on the 1 to 5 limited access is $125. Counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Bueno, entonces la multa que se le imputa por haberle permitido a una persona que no tenía una licencia de conducción el conducir del vehículo corresponde a la suma de $190 y la infracción civil de haber tenido un exceso de límite de velocidad de unas 5 millas por hora es una multa de $125. Señor abogado, ¿usted está de acuerdo con la recitación de los hechos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Sir, you have 60 days to pay these in full or to get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment. As long as you do one of those two things within the 60 days, your deal will remain intact.
Bueno, señor, entonces usted tiene un periodo de 60 días para pagar estas multas en su totalidad o para acercarse al juzgado con la cajera en el primer piso y iniciar un plan de pago dentro de los 60 días que usted tiene para pagar esta multa. De esta manera, el servicio se mantendrá intacto.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir.
Ok. Que tenga un buen día, señor.
Thank you. Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you. Ms. Ukors, thank you so much for all of your wonderful hard work today. I appreciate you always.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's a pleasure working with you. You have a great day.
You too. All right.
Mr. Walling.
Thank you, Attorney Walling. Thank you, Attorney Johnson. Looks like we've got to deal with Attorney Boffman on this Van Thomas matter. I take it Mr. Parsons got a new date.
Yes, he did, Your Honor. And
Okay.
I'll give that to Madam Clerk.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
I'm all set.
All right. Yep. You guys are all set.
I hope I didn't make you work too hard, Rodney.
Well, it seemed like you wanted to work on your Spanish today, so I think I'll let you have all of them. How about that?
You guys
It
are a
makes
great
the
team
most
to have
sense- to me,
working.
it makes the most sense to do it that way, but
All right.
Yep.
All right.
Thank
Take
you.
care, everybody.
Thank
bye,
you.
everybody.
All right, Attorney
Judge.
Boffman, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor. Thank you for calling the case. I'm sorry to be late. Mr. Thomas and I are ready.
I believe that I was kicked out of the.
You weren't kicked out, you were brought out because we were trying to figure out where Mr. Boffman was, and now he's here in the main courtroom with us.
Okay.
And so we can call your matter. I'm not sure what he's going to want to do today until we call the case. All right, Madam Clerk, whenever you're ready.
We're calling the Van Thomas cases.
Are you ready to go on the record, Attorney Boffman? Do you need to speak with Mr. Thomas?
I believe Mr. Thomas is continuing not guilty plea, and we want to set the matter for a bench trial.
Okay.
Are we on the same page, Mr. Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. All right, so we'll go ahead and get the matter called. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
Okay, for Van Vincent Thomas, U 744-37526 and 26355-543, count 1.
All right, thank you. Attorney Boffman.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P 55052, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Thomas, give the court your full name.
Van Vincent Thomas.
Judge, would you set this matter for a bench trial? I've made a discovery request. I can be ready as early as the first week of June.
Okay, what's our next bench trial date, Madam Clerk?
June 10th at 9:30.
Does that work for you, Attorney Boffman?
That's perfect for me. Thank you.
Okay, great. Mr. Thomas, we'll see you back then by Zoom, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you get that date and time?
June 10.
June 10, 9:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a great day. Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Boffman.
Thank you.
All right, Madam Court Reporter, thank you. I know you have been working very hard today with all of this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Judge.
Appreciate you. Mr. Thomas, have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
have
Madam
a good
Clerk,
day.
thank you for all of your very hard work. Tompkins, thank you. If you're still in there.
I'm here.
Alrighty.
Have a good day.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Oh, what are we doing with Parsons?
You got
I
a date to
don't-
come back. I'm sure Attorney Johnson will send it to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.